I think the very initial conversation I had with Lili, who is the artistic director of the Finnish National Opera and Ballet, was several years ago, and I said I would like to do something within the organization that uses new technology and basically plays with the elements of an opera house, but without quite being an opera, and so on.
Well, LAILA is an immersive artwork. It's an environment, it's a space. It's also kind of an AI entity, if you want to think about it that way. It's the product of our 1 year of hustling.
If you should actually rebuild opera, you can't rip it down more than we've done it. So it's missing all of the traditions of opera. It's missing a person on stage. There's no conductor. You don't sit. You're not a member of the audience who has a comfortable bench. You're actually going in to the experience, and then it's evolving with you. So it's hierarchy free in a way.
I guess what is really special about it for us is this highly multidisciplinary collaboration that we have here. So we are a multidisciplinary team. We have designers and technologists among ourselves, but then we also have a composer, a dramaturg, all of the professionals from the opera that help us create this piece.
I'm sure it has been a learning process for all, inside our collective, but also with the collaboration with others, for everyone.
To compose LAILA was a very different process compared to everything else I've ever done before. I like to learn new things, and this has been a real learning curve, because none of it is composing in the traditional sense of the word.
So a big part of the sound design and the sound in the dome is a spatial sound, meaning that we have a 38.2 Genelec system in the dome. It's all around you. 3D spatial sounds means that there's no direction. Anything can happen anywhere.
We're working with really interesting technologies, so we get to do a really interesting projection mapping solution inside LAILA, and we're also using AI in a kind of new type of way that helps the people who come to LAILA interact with the artwork.
Every art form needs the traditional side, the legacy. We have to take care of the legacy, but we also have to make sure that there are new things that nobody has done ever before. And we also have to take the risk of some things not actually working out. So every new work is a risk in this sense. But if we don't take the risk, we are going to die, and the art form is going to die. It's going to dry out and lose its relevance. So the risk is well worth taking.